You have by now noted that one of the pro tips that I always give and teach new traders and developing traders is to being able to identify or understand the current direction of the market that they are trading.